Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing the topic maintenance and reliability, which plays a crucial role in success and efficiency of any operational or industrial process. This includes the importance of maintenance, the different types of maintenance, reliability engineering, failure rate and MTBF, and key maintenance and strategies and tools. Importance of maintenance. Maintenance plays a critical role in ensuring that machines, tools, and systems continue to work efficiently and safely. Without regular maintenance, equipment can break down unexpectedly, leading to costly delays, safety hazards, and lower productivity. In short, good maintenance equals longer equipment life, fewer breakdowns, improved reliability, and ultimately higher profits. Why is it important? Because regular maintenance prevents unexpected breakdowns, increases the lifespan of equipment, reduces repair costs, and improves safety in the workplace. For example, think about a delivery company. If their vehicles aren't regularly maintained, like checking oil or brakes or tires, it could lead to breakdowns and the delay shipments or cause accidents. So it should be a proper maintenance to prevent that. Types of maintenance. There are three main types of maintenance: the preventive, predictive, and the total productive maintenance. Now, let's talk about types of maintenance. First is the preventive maintenance. This is a regular scheduled maintenance. Think of it like changing your oil every 5,000 kilometer. It's planned ahead of time to prevent problems before they occur. And then next is the predictive maintenance. This type use data and sensors to predict when a machine might fail. It's likely a smart car that alerts you when the battery is likely to die soon. And the third one is the total productive maintenance. This is focuses on involving all employees, from the top managers to operators, in maintaining equipment. The goal is zero breakdowns and continuous improvement. Reliability engineering. Reliability engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on ensuring a system or a component performs its required function consistently over time without a failure. It involves a technique like testing, risk analysis, and system design improvements to minimize breakdown and extend equipment. So, what is reliability engineering? Ensure system perform as expected over time, minimize failures and downtime, uses data and testing for continuous improvement. Example, if a manufacturer designs a washing machine, reliability engineering ensures that part of chosen can last of years with minimal repair based on test data, simulations, and field reports. It involves failure analysis, testing, and data-driven improvement to boost machine dependability. Next one is the failure rate and the MTBF. This refers to key in terms of reliability are failure rate and MTBF, mean time between failures. Failure rate is how often something fails within a specific time, and the MTBF is the average time between equipment failures. So example is that if machine breakdowns every 100 hours, the MTBF is 100 hours. A higher MTBF means better reliability. Another example is that if machine runs 300 hours and breaks down three times, its MTBF is 100 hours. MTBF is used to design schedules for maintenance, predicting failures, and improving reliability. Maintenance strategies and tools. There are several strategies and tools used to manage maintenance effective. These are the condition-based maintenance, root cause analysis (RCA), and the CMS, computerized maintenance management system. So the condition with maintenance is maintenance is performed only when signs of wear or failure are detected. This root cause analysis, this helps identify the real reason behind the problem, not just the symptoms. And this is through CMM's computerized maintenance management system. These are the software that schedule tracks and reports maintenance tasks digitally. So the conclusion, sum of it up, maintenance and reliability are essential for any organization that relies on machine or systems. With the right strategy, whether preventive, predictive, or digital productive, you can reduce downtime, cut costs, and keep everything running smoothly. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.